Just a quick tip for you. If you notice a dent on your stock, you can take a wet towel, place it over the spot, grab your wife's iron, and just heat that up for a bit. If you have a little steam in the iron, that's even, just watch your hand. And I'll put a picture of what I started with here, but you can see there's a vast improvement in the dent. It's much smoother. They clean it up a little bit, but it is a great way to get little dents out of your stock. Anyway, safe shooting.